this is from YouTube. Take a look. That's cool, right? Yeah, so you think we should take this out there?
Yeah, let's go.
Yeah, let's go. Okay. Follow us. Woo, take a look. Okay, everyone, take a look right here. This is the package we got from YouTube. Yeah, I really wonder what's inside this. Let's find out. Right here. So, everyone, first of all, hello, I'm Akash.
And I'm Amrita.
And we're really happy to announce that we have passed 100,000 subscribers on YouTube, which means that YouTube has sent us the silver play button, and that's what's inside this. It's like this really neat award, and it's also a neat way to recognize those individuals.
Exactly.
Marks.
Basically, whenever you reach 100,000 subscribers, right? So whenever you reach 100,000 subscribers, you get the silver play button. And thanks to you guys, we have reached that milestone.
Yeah, and we're really happy, and we just wanted to start by thanking all of you for helping us achieve this incredible mark of 100,000. Oh, I'm honestly really happy because it's all because of you guys. It's all because of the subscribers, the viewers, the likers, and the commenters, and most importantly, the fans for helping us achieve this. And we're just so glad and so happy that you all have helped us out with this amazing milestone. And we're just really happy. So I just wanted to start by thanking you all so much. From the inception of this channel, when I was a little baby back in 2011, we started this as a sort of a record of our memories back in the day, and from that point all the way on to the National Spelling Bee, and to Dancing with the Stars, and to my recent India trip, and all the way until now, it has truly been an amazing journey, and we're just so glad that we've achieved this milestone. And we just want to start by thanking all of you so much for this. So yeah, this is amazing. So let's start with how we actually started this channel. We started in 2011 as I said earlier, sort of a record for our memories, so that later in the future, which is now of course, we can we started my parents started this channel on my mom's account actually, so that we can sort of record all of our memories, so we can remember it in the future.
And then
after that,
it basically started from there, and then Akash got to be the youngest in the National Spelling Bee, and then we had Dancing with the Stars.
And Little Big Shots, of
Little Big
course.
Shots as well.
And that was when we started. That's when we sort of started to blow up.
Exactly.
And before that, actually, we used to live in Cleveland, actually.
Yeah,
and there, Fox, our local Fox TV channel, they actually did a story on us, and they interviewed us. It was amazing, and we published that video. And that was the very first interview, actual TV channel.
That's the first one that we had.
It was the very first one that we posted on YouTube. And ever since then, we've come this far. I became the youngest boy at the National Spelling Bee, and then Dancing with the Stars, and Little Big Shots, I mentioned that. And then, of course, the trip to India. Yeah. And all of this, it's been an amazing ride. After that, if you've noticed, I've been on all sorts of TV channels. If you could think of any TV channel in the US, I was probably on there. I was on ABC, ABC, CBS, Fox, HBO, ESPN, CNN, PBS, let me think.
You were on more TV shows than I can name.
Basically, I guess. And then after that, we come to international. I was on the BBC, CTV from Canada, and Channel 7 from Australia. And the coolest one of all is CNN International because they were broadcasting live from Hong Kong, which is absolutely amazing, right?
Exactly.
Yes, I absolutely love it. And it's really been absolutely amazing. We've gone through all of this, and it's with God's grace we have come this far, and we just want to thank you all so much for this. It's really, really awesome. And yeah. So coming back to the YouTube channel, of course, here it is, the silver play button. You can take a look at the packaging. It looks really, really nice.
Yeah, it does.
And before we actually unbox this, we just want to once again thank everyone for the amazing journey, and we just want to thank the fans, the viewers, the subscribers, the likers, and the commenters.
We couldn't have we couldn't have gotten here without you guys, obviously.
Yeah.
So thank you.
Yeah, we just want to thank you all so much, and for watching our videos. And we just want to say that keep continuing to watch our videos, liking, commenting, sharing it with your friends, and yeah, we just want to thank you all so much for that, and keep doing it. And yeah, we just want to thank you all so much for that. Now we are going to unbox this.
Yeah.
You're excited?
Yeah, definitely.
Okay, then let's go ahead and let's unbox this. So
we're going to need some scissors.
Okay, so I'm gonna quickly go and get some scissors. Okay. So I've got the scissors. Okay,
We're going
let's
to
see.
put that away.
Okay, let's open this up.
This side.
Maybe. Let's start with this.
There we go. There we go.
Oh, look at this, everyone! Look at this. Okay, this is it.
Opened it.
Okay, this is cool. So now, before we actually open this, you can see there's a letter from the CEO of YouTube. Take a look; it's pretty cool. It says that it sort of congratulates us on 100,000 subscribers, and now you can take a look at it right here. And now we are
Big reveal.
Yeah, it's a big reveal. 3, 2, 1, and woo!
Oh my God,
This is
so good.
amazing. Look
Why
at
don't
that.
we?
Okay, everyone, take a look. This is it.
Yeah.
The YouTube silver play button. It says, presented to Akash Vukoti for passing 100,000 subscribers. This is amazing. We just want to thank you all so much. You think we should open up this cover?
Yeah.
Let's do
that.
that. Okay. Look at this, everyone.
There it is.
This is the YouTube silver play button. Look at that. Yeah.
It's so shiny.
Yeah, it's shiny.
It looks like a lot. It looks a lot better than it does in the pictures. Like
Yeah, it looks so cool.
so cool.
Yeah. We just wanted to quickly thank you all so much for this incredible milestone for the silver play button. Yeah, we just wanted to start by thanking our parents for starting this channel, and then without them, the channel would not have been started.
Exactly.
And,
They were the ones who decided.
Yeah.
They not only start. We're not just thanking them for just starting the channel. We're thanking them for technically being the cause of everything good that's happened so far.
And for raising this channel to what it is today, and helping make it what it is. And we just want to start by thanking YouTube for of course creating this amazing platform and recognizing the individual creators who achieved these amazing milestones. And then of course to our parents for starting the channel and for helping it become what it has become today.
Being the cause of everything good that's happened to us, to this channel, all of it.
Yeah, and it's just really amazing. We just like to thank our parents. And then most importantly, we'd just like to thank you all, the fans, the subscribers, the viewers, the likers, and most importantly, the commenters. And that's because for me, the comments are my strength. They're the reason I continue to make all of these videos. And they're the strength for this channel. And me and my team are really working hard to, like or love and reply to your comments. We try to do that.
We try to do it. We try to reply to every single one of your comments, but we have school, we have the spelling bee, we have a lot of work on our hands, and the YouTube channel isn't the only thing we do. So we don't have time to reply to all of them, sadly.
And we apologize if that's been the case for you. We sincerely apologize. And so regardless, we just want to say thank you all so much for the silver play button. 100,000 subscribers. Now 125,000 subscribers, I think.
Exactly.
Thanks so much to new ones. And we just want to thank you all so much for this. And thanks so much everybody for 100,000 subscribers. Love you, Akash
And Amrita.
Yeah, thanks so much. Bye. Wow, this is cool. Bye.